I have this Rolano light, and let me show you how it works. So what you do is, there is a switch here, and let me turn it on. Put the light bulb in, and then it has this cover. You put this cover around the frame, like so. And now it softens the light. And it also comes on this tripod, which is adjustable. So let me show you. You have a knob right here. So what you do is you turn it, and you can adjust the light up and down like so. And once you have it in the position that you want, you turn it to tighten. You have another knob right here. You turn it to loosen. You adjust the light, and then you turn it to lock the position in place. You also have more knobs to help adjust the height. So if I turn this one, I can lower the light, and then you turn it again to lock it in place. It also has this knob here, and what you do is you turn it to loosen, and you're able to adjust the tripod. So once you have the tripod in the position that you want, you turn this again to lock it in place. Here is the light in its lowest position, so let me show you in its highest. So now I have the lamp in its highest position.